6 months ago, I was making $40,000 a year. Today, I'm making $95,000, and AI changed everything. In this video, I'm revealing the exact 5 AI strategies I used. And the number 1 strategy alone can completely change your career trajectory. Let's start with number 5. Number 5, AI resume optimization. Most resumes never reach a human being. Software filters them out before recruiters even see them. I started using AI to compare job descriptions against my resume and identify missing keywords instantly. One simple prompt completely transformed my application success rate. But the results were even crazier than I expected. Before AI optimization, I averaged 1 interview every month. So I started using AI. After AI optimization, I landed 7 interviews in just 2 weeks. Recruiters suddenly started responding. But optimizing the resume was only the first step. Paste a job description into ChatGPT and ask it to identify missing skills and keywords. Then customize every application. It takes minutes instead of hours. But resumes get attention. Portfolios create belief. And AI helped me build one shockingly fast. Number 4, AI portfolio building. I didn't have years of experience. So I needed proof of capability. AI helped me create portfolio projects that looked like real-world work. And those projects made recruiters see me differently almost immediately. Before my portfolio, recruiters mostly ignored my applications. After adding portfolio projects, recruiter responses nearly doubled. Suddenly, people could see what I could do. But one strategy accelerated everything. Step 1, ask AI for portfolio project ideas based on your target role. Step 2, use free platforms to publish your work and showcase results. Then I discovered something even more powerful than resumes and portfolios combined. Number 3, AI-powered networking. I used to hate networking because I never knew what to say. AI helped me write customized messages in seconds. And those messages opened doors I couldn't access on my own. Before AI, I sent messages and rarely received replies. With AI-assisted personalization, my response rate tripled. Those conversations directly led to interviews and referrals. Step 1, give AI a person's profile and ask for a customized outreach message. Step 2, focus on genuine conversations, not asking for jobs. If you think this was powerful, wait until you see the 2 AI strategies that actually got me hired. Number 2, AI interview preparation. Most people fail interviews because they're surprised by the questions. I used AI to predict interview questions before the interview even happened. And when I saw how accurate those predictions were, I knew I had an unfair advantage. Before using AI, I stumbled through interviews and rarely advanced. After AI preparation, I consistently reached final round interviews. Recruiters thought I was naturally prepared. They never knew what was happening behind the scenes. Step 1, paste the job description into ChatGPT and ask for likely interview questions. Step 2, then run mock interviews until your answers feel natural and confident. Number 1, AI skill stacking. The biggest mistake people make is learning one skill at a time. AI lets you stack multiple valuable skills faster than ever before. And this one idea became the biggest reason my income exploded. The process takes years. Companies don't pay for isolated skills. They pay for people who solve bigger problems. Skill stacking multiplied my value and helped justify nearly doubling my salary. The best part? You probably already have the first skill you need. AI helped identify those gaps. Step 1, start with the skills you already have. Step 2, use AI to identify adjacent skills that increase your market value. And when you combine this with everything from part 1, the entire system finally clicks. Let's put it all together. The hidden trick isn't any single strategy. It's combining all 5 into one career acceleration engine.